Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, we are going to be making these cute mason jars into tissue boxes, you guys, and they really do work. This y'all, they still dry. You can still see the goddamn Mod Podge. But you guys, these are super cute. These are adorable. Look at the lids to them. The lids are like really blinged out and cute. You can also, I didn't do the mini ones, but you can also do the mini ones for, and put like cosmetic, cleaning pads in these and make a set, have it in your bathroom. The link to get these sizes as well as some bigger sizes will be in the description box. You guys, these are cute to put around your house. You can also sell these at little craft events, because you can decorate it and put whatever you want on the outside. They're just cute. They're just adorable. So let's go ahead and get into how do we make these. Alright, you guys, so the first step is very easy. As we have a mason jar right here, we see that you can't really pull tissue paper or anything out of this. So what we need to do is we need to replace this right here. And I'm going to replace it with some thick, sturdy cardstock paper. I'm going to be doing the pink for my daughters and the black for mine. So the only thing you really want to do is go ahead and take the lid apart, and you're going to trace this onto the back of your cardstock paper. And then once you have it traced, you see that? Once you have it traced down, all we're going to do is go ahead and cut it out. Okay, so we have our two circles cut out, as you can see. And if I go ahead and try to, okay, let's see. And if I go ahead and put this over here and go ahead and put the lid on, as you can see, it fits perfect, and that is beautiful. But you still cannot get the tissue out of there. So what I'm going to do is just take an X-Acto knife and cut a slit that goes this way and this way, almost like a cross. That's what you're doing. You're cutting across. So let me go ahead and do that now. Okay, so now I have my cross in there, which I will be able to, can you see that? Use that to, can you see that? To take the tissue out of. So now you can just go ahead, we're pretty much done now. Now you can go ahead and load this up. Alright, y'all, I'm going to cut some more little slits in it. Let's see if that helps. Yes, that does help. It is coming out a lot easier. It's not trying to tear. But I wonder why all of these want to come out instead of just pulling off. So I got this the wrong way. Is it upside down? I think I got it upside down. Alright, let's try it again. I think I might have had it upside down, y'all. Yeah, we did it. Okay, we got it. I had the tissue paper upside down. I probably put the other one in upside down too then. Okay, you guys, that was a success. It freaking works. Okay. Proud of what we did. Okay, so as you guys can see, that was very simple, very easy, and this can be super, super cute depending on how you decorate it, along with the matching cardstock paper. You guys, these are super, super cute. You can set these in your bathroom. Y'all, that's still drying. Don't judge me. And I will have the link in the description box where you can buy these size from Amazon along with some bigger ones. Oh, and let me show y'all. Do not forget that you can also, I got these from Amazon as well, that you can also do the minis, and these can be used for like cosmetic wipes. You can put them in there, and you can have like a whole set in your bathroom. You guys, this is stinking cute. Oh man, come on. I was just doing so good. So good. What happened? Why does it always want to pull up all of them? Why? You know what? I'm just going to put them in there and see what happens. Just let y'all do whatever y'all want to do. Oh, now you want to pull out the right way. Alright, so I guess y'all still got to fool around and see what's the best way to put the toilet paper or the tissue. I use toilet paper. I did not use tissue. I use toilet paper. I'm going to try to put the toilet paper in there and see if that fits. This is my first time trying to use tissue. And as you can see, we are like struggling. What I'm trying to do right now is just take the toilet paper roll out. And then I think I want to take from the middle. Please fit in here. Alright, that's going to be too tight. Let me make this a little bit smaller. Alright, I got this smaller. Let's see if this fits down in here. It does fit. Alright, let's put this paper on. Like I said, I've always done it with toilet paper. That was my first time trying to do it with tissue paper. I don't know why I was trying something brand new. Look at that. Do what works. Toilet paper works. Please do toilet paper. I don't know how people do it with the tissue paper. I don't know. Like I said, I'm going to stick to what I know, which is toilet tissue. Okay? Toilet tissue. Don't try this. Look at this. I don't know how the people in them videos was getting that to work. Well, actually, you know what? They never did show that it worked. They didn't show that it worked. Don't do that. Just look. Look at that. Please use toilet tissue. Don't nobody know it's toilet tissue. Just use the toilet tissue. Okay? This is a real video, a real trial and error. Please don't use this tissue, this Kleenex crap. It don't work. It does not work. Okay? If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye!